is a simple side braid hairstyle using Moroccan oil. I'm putting about a dime size of Moroccan oil in my hand and just getting it all over the palm and that, just to get it through the hair. And I've already sectioned out the pieces I want to leave in front and intertwine into the braid afterward. So for this braid, this is a side braid that goes straight up and down, and it's just associated with a different aesthetic other than boho in that. It's a little more subversive aesthetic, which is like a post-apocalypse type of aesthetic. So it's less fairy tale, but it's still in that genre of fairycore in that, but it's kind of stricter, if you can think of it like that. Like, it's more serious and less whimsical, but it's still loose. So to do this, I'm just holding my hands like in one place for this like up and down effect. Like all the hair is side swept over to just one up and down braid. And the sections that I take are at the top of the layers, and I don't like incorporate the entire hair into it. I just go from the top layers and start incorporating as I get down to the bottom. So hopefully that's demonstrated enough for you to try it, because it's really fun. See how it's kind of like a up and down braid, and it's just a little bit different. So now I'm going to slightly wave these front pieces. Like, see how I'm not even going for any kind of a curl effect. I'm actually going to pick these out so it doesn't have to be curled in any particular way. I'm designing these by separating them and going for this look, you know. So I'll take a little bit of pancaking, get it ready for just some tucking, and I'm going to start tucking the pieces of hair, and that's it, until I'm comfortable with the way it looks. So it's very like almost neat. It's hard to describe, but it is a little bit different than a boho braid. I'm really gonna put a lot of hairspray because, like I said, it's not that flyaway. It's supposed to be a little neater. Hope you